Right now, we're going to the beach to get some beaches. Right. We're going to the beach. John's birthday. Little guy's turning 21 at midnight. His birthday's tomorrow, but we're celebrating today.
That farther would right, left.
Probably like on the beach would be a good idea.
Bro, that's a fantastic idea. You're smart, bro. You're a genius. You fucking God, you're poor IQ.
Sandals on. I'm gonna dig a hole.
What's going on, guys? Right now we're building a hole. Me and Taylor out here waiting for them to build the hole.
Hey, what the hell? Just put it behind you.
Dig.
What's going on, guys? It's your boys out here. We're out here making a beach fortress.
It's your boy Minecraft Player 92XXZZ, and we're back out here in the realistic Minecraft scenario where we are building our diamond castle.
Damn right. Damn right.
It's Taylor's boho.
As we see here in the natural safari, we watch as the natural beings of the human species relatively dig their own graves. Now, do we know exactly what they're doing now? Not in the slightest, but at some point, they will eventually call out their mating calls.
Give me your best mating call.
We are currently digging a hole.
Why? I don't know. But we're just digging a hole, man. You know, nothing else to do, so besides digging a hole. So
I'm okay with this.
yeah.
Just digging holes.
I found a link to the
We like to dig holes. We're valley men, we like to dig holes. Isn't that right, Taylor?
Damn straight. Damn straight. All we do is dig holes. We're all about digging holes. We're diggers.
Like we dig. Still no treasure yet, boys.
Oh!
Yeah, I was sick.
I'm far into your lens.
Oh my god.
Straight or water, yeah. Your neck is already so much darker than the rest of you. Left area. Ready for hoe dance, man! Come on, let's go. Come on. Oh my god! Oh, it's a beach! Let's go. Oh, let's go. Oh shit.
We're going back.
Oh, fuck yeah.
We're digging, still. It's been a couple hours. Still going, you know, just this part about the beach is digging a hole with your buddies. So it's all about the hole, bro.
Grandpa!
Get back to work.
That's not CGI, ladies and gentlemen. That is, half my leg is actually gone.
Eat it out, I'll smooth it, because I got the little one.
Yeah. Not sure.
Spotted, you know, we're out here, got some few brewskis, we're about to go skimboarding, we're at the beach. John just did a line of coke. We have not been able to calm him down for the last 2 hours.
He just snorted sand, though.
Yeah, but he thinks it's coke.
Coke?
So you're broke.
Joke.
Today was fucking sick, dude. We did some skimboarding, broke some ankles. Literally, hole was great. Hole was probably the highlight of the day, to be honest, man. We dug this hole, took advantage of this hole. We did, didn't we?
Yeah, sure.
5 guys, 1 hole.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Sure, dude.
Sounds like my browser history.
Hiding from the truth.
Hey, Tay.
Go!